In this exercise, we'll add two polynomials. We're adding 3x to the fifth plus 5x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3, and x to the fifth plus x to the fourth minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Now, doing this addition is essentially just collecting the like terms. So we can start by doing that. We have an x to the fifth term here and an x to the fifth term here. So we would have this exponent, or this coefficient plus this coefficient, 3 plus 1, times x to the fifth. Next I have an x cubed term here and an x cubed term here. So I can write 5 minus 3 times x cubed. I have an x squared term here and one here, and I'm going to write negative 5 minus 3 times x squared. Here I have a constant term, and here's another one, so I can write negative 3 minus 4. Now let's look at this second polynomial. We've taken care of the x to the fifth terms. There's an x to the fourth term here that we haven't written down yet, and it is the only one, so we'll write plus x to the fourth. The x cubed terms we've taken care of, the x squared terms we have, but here's also an x term. So we'll also have plus 2x. And then when we carry out these additions of the coefficients, we're going to have 4x to the fifth power plus 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 7 plus x to the fourth plus 2x. And usually we like to write results in descending order, which means that we start with the highest exponent of x and go down to the lowest. So if we did that, for this sum, we would write 4x to the fifth, the highest power on x, then we'll write the x to the fourth term, then the x cubed term, the x squared term, the x term, and finally the constant term. So this would be the sum of these two polynomials that we started with.